To acquire knowledge, one must study, but to acquire wisdom, one must observe. This was told by Marilyn Vos Savant. Welcome to Ignite India. This is Fareen. Today, we will be learning the secrets to master in human figures. Let's start this with a game. Observe this image and answer the further questions. How many wheels were touching the rails? If you noticed it, very well. But if you didn't, rewind the video and check it yourself. Now let me tell you what was the purpose of this game. This was a small test on your observation power. With this, here comes the first secret. Observe. Start observing people around you. Be it your mom, your dad or friends. Look how they're sitting or how is the position when they're using their phones. Have you ever realized this is the specialty of design and art field? You don't need to do anything to cover the first step of it. You just need to sit back and observe. Stay tuned till the end as I'll be providing few human poses and you guys need to sketch it out on the given time. But if you want, you can pause the video and complete it. After that, you can send us your work and we will review it and tell you what things you need to do to improve. Moving on to the second secret, which is trace human figures. If you are here today with an expectation to learn something which will help you to crack the design entrance exam, then the first thing you need to do is to read newspapers daily. You will be getting two benefits out of it. First, current affairs. Second, you can see a lot of human figures. And then what do you need to do? Take pencil and trace human figures. Not like a kid, but like a designer. Do not trace the whole thing because you just need to know what is the shape of the human. You just need to know the position, how it is sitting or dancing or any other position. You just need to trace the outlines and just know how it looks. Moving on to the last secret, secret number 3, which is live sketching. Trust me guys, even if you don't follow the first 2 secrets, this last secret is more than enough. Yes, it is important to know the proper techniques to make human figures, but to master it, live sketching plays a great role. Keep a sketchbook always with you. Whenever you feel bored or you see any interesting person, try to sketch them out. First, start with the basic outlines, then go with the details. Once you build this habit, trust me, you will see the difference within a week. Start live sketching with pencil and once you're confident enough, start doing directly with pen. Let me tell you what is the benefit of using a pen while doing a live sketching. If you use a pen, you will have the fear that you may destroy the page. For that, you will focus more and slowly you will see how confident you will be with human figures. You just need to observe, learn to trace outlines and do live sketching. As I told, we will be having a rapid human figure exercise. Now everyone pause the video, take sketchbook and pencil. Here's the first figure. Figure number 2. Great work everyone. Now register yourself for free and then we will connect with you and help you out to improve in human figures. For any further help, you can contact us anytime. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you are a new student, press the bell icon to get all notifications of our live classes and new informative videos. This much for today. We will meet you in the next class.